Right guys, here we are. Let's find our room. Room 118. Let's put some lights on, that'll be better. Yeah, so you come in, table, bed. Not a very big room, but we only sleep here. Oh, hi! Got television, extra pillows, wardrobe. Smells nice. Quite a big wardrobe. And then you go through to the bathroom. Yeah. Toilet. But the most important question, does it flush? Yes, it does. There's the shower head, you have to hang it up there. Toiletries, soap smells nice. And then we'll come to the balcony. Opens the doors. I like these shutters. And then you come outside, we're on floor 1. And there we are, sea view. And there we are, our room.